It's lead. It's amazing. There's no other metal like that. I just love the way that the lead moves and the weight of it. My name's Athena LaTocha, and I'm here installing my current, one of the current works I just completed. I grew up in Alaska, and growing up in Alaska, we were out in wilderness areas. That idea of untamed nature is something that I've always been interested in. Having the opportunity to work for 3 days out at Pea Ridge National Military Park. Pea Ridge is unique in the fact that it is preserving the events that happened there. So you have the Trail of Tears happening early 1800s, and then mid-1800s you have the Civil War battle that took place. It was difficult to be out there and not think about the atrocities of history, all taking place within this terrain. It was really quite powerful and at times overwhelming, because you think, well, look where we are today and look who we are and how we are, and these things don't end. Just a phenomenal experience to have the opportunity to come out and immerse myself in this landscape. 3 panels of lead that will be installed here were all collected from Pea Ridge and taking imprints of the rock formation out there. And I've just recently started working with lead in my studio practice. It's a very seductive medium to work with. Being able to step into the unknown, into those places where you don't know what's going to happen next. For me, it's all about bringing that kind of wilderness experience in, bringing the outdoors in one way, and bringing that to the viewers as well.